I just wanted to make a quick video to show how we used the stencil that we 3D printed. We printed it in 4 pieces and glued it together because it's bigger than our printer could print in one piece. So we put a weight in the middle of it, it's an old battery, to hold it down and keep it flattened against the cardboard.
I think that should be enough. What do you think?
After spraying each stencil, we put a paper towel on top of it and kind of wiped it to absorb the excess paint so it wouldn't build up and run through. That way we didn't have to wait for anything to dry before we could go on to the next one.
The reveal. Very revealing. The battery, please. So that would be one whole set, right?
The stenciled cardboard pieces are stapled to the bottom of each target frame. These are at the local indoor range that's used by 4-H for archery practice.